Hello and welcome in this new video brought to you by Hdesigntutorials.com. In this video, we'll test the super resolution feature available in VideoProc Converter Ai to enhance video and photo quality, and we will discover together how easy it is to bring back the lost details of any blurry, noisy, and low quality video or photo using AI. So, as an example, here I've got a very low resolution and blurry video that we will try to enhance with VideoProc Converter Ai. So let's click on Super Resolution. Then let's click on this button here to import the video file. Once the video file is imported, VideoProc Converter Ai will start processing the video automatically using the default applied settings. And here from the top we've got two preview modes, so I will change the preview mode from side by side to the split preview mode so that we can see the details clearly. And as you can see, VideoProc Ai did a very good job in deblurring and bringing back the lost details in our video. Here on the right side, we have the possibility to change the hardware device that will be used for the calculations, so if we don't have a powerful graphics card, then we can change to use the CPU instead. And here in front of AI model, there are 4 different AI models to choose from. Now let's go to another frame of the video to check the results. And now here in front of scale, we can choose to double the width and height of the video by 2 times, 3 times, or even 4 times. Now let's take a look at the export settings, and here in video codec we have 2 MP4 codecs to choose from. We've got the H264 and HEVC. Here in quality level, let's select highest. And finally, the GOP parameter is the frame rate of the video, and it's always set automatically to the same frame rate of the original video. Also, we can switch to Enhance Video and Image to only enhance the video without upscaling the dimension of the video. Now all we have to do is click in on Run, and then VideoProc Converter Ai will start rendering and exporting the video. Now generally, the export process in VideoProc Converter Ai is not very slow, but it will take a little bit of time to finish, so let's speed up the video to check the final result. Let's play the video to check the result. Now, as you can see, there's more details in the video, and of course, its quality is way better than before. Good. Now let's move on to another video, and as an example, this time we will import a noisy video in VideoProc Converter Ai, which can do a great job in reducing and eliminating noise or grain from videos and photos. So let's import the video. And as you can see, the noise is completely gone. We can also change the AI model to Real Smooth for a smoother result. Let's zoom in closer to the noise to check the details. Now let's click on Run to export the video. Finally, here's the exported video, and as you can see, the noise is completely gone. Let's also test with another video that doesn't contain any human subjects, and for example, let's import a video with some high-rising buildings to check if VideoProc Converter AI can recognize the buildings and bring back the details. And as you can see, VideoProc AI also works pretty well with other videos that contains real-world objects like nature or buildings. Great, now let's test VideoProc Converter AI capabilities to enhance photos. And let's import, for example, the following image, which is a noisy image, and check the result. And I want to say, actually, it's very fast and easy to clean up images using the super resolution feature available in VideoProc Converter AI. Now let's process the image to check how it will look like after the export. Good. Now we can also use the Anim AI model in VideoProc Converter AI to enhance the details and the quality of AI-generated photos, like the following generated photo. And of course, the result, as you can see, is very sharp and detailed. Now, for example, let's try an old photo and see if VideoProc Converter AI can restore the details. Great! Finally, let's enhance a very low-quality JPEG photo and see the result. Nice, this is very clean. Now, after testing different videos and photos in VideoProc Converter AI, let's not forget the newly added Audio AI feature that is available in the latest version 7.5 of the software, and actually, it's a new AI audio noise remover that uses AI to remove the noise from videos or any audio file. So let's import a video that contains noise and check how this newly added Audio AI feature will work in removing noise from the audio. Let's first listen to the audio.
Hello and welcome in this new video brought to you by Hdesigntutorials.com. Hello and welcome in this new video.
And now let's activate the noise suppression, then hit the play button to listen again.
Hello and welcome in this new video brought to you by Hdesigntutorials.com. Hello and welcome in this new video brought to you by Hdesigntutorials.com.
We can easily tweak the noise attenuation parameter to control how much the noise suppression will affect the audio track.
Hello and welcome in this new video brought to you by Hdesigntutorials.com.
And as you can hear, the noise is completely gone. So this is a very practical tool if you are shooting videos or any kind of interviews outdoor and you want to get rid of the environmental noise and get in a clean audio signal. Finally, you can simply export the video after removing the noise from the audio. that's it, and those are the two main features that I wanted to highlight in today's video, and you can check the links in the description to download and try VideoProc Converter AI for free, and also to experiment with the other available features in this fantastic piece of software. Also, please do not forget to check the link in the description to participate in the giveaway event for a chance to get a free license for the software and also a chance to win $200 PayPal cash money as a gift from the software provider, or a chance to get free coupon codes. I hope you enjoyed watching this video review. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe.